what is the next question? We have to find the integration of 2x upon x square plus x minus 6. So students, what you observe here? What is highest power of numerator? What is the highest power of numerator? Here it is what? 1. And what is power of denominator? What is the maximum power denominator is what? 2. So we observe that power of numerator is less than power of denominator. Power of denominator. Students, already we have seen actual division. जहाँ पे power of numerator is what? Greater than or equals to. तो उस वक्त हम लोग पता है फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करते हैं फ्रैक्शन इक्वल्स टू व्हाट क्वोशिएंट प्लस रिमाइंडर अपॉन डिवाइजर एंड वी डिवाइड what that numerator by denominator. Okay, and then we are going to find out quotient, remainder, and this is what divisor. Okay, जब ये कब करने का जब power of numerator is what more than or equals to power of denominator. जब ज्यादा रहेगा नहीं तो इक्वल रहेगा. But now what is the condition? Condition is what? Condition is what? It is less than. It is what? Less than. Let me complete first. Then I will again repeat it again. Okay. Power of numerator is what? Less than denominator. If it happens like this, अगर ऐसा होता है power of numerator is what less than denominator. And this is what first condition. Second condition is what? Denominator should be factorizable. Denominator should be factorizable. Factorize होना ही चाहिए. तभी जाके आप कर सकते हो. नहीं होगा तो अपने पास और एक फॉर्मूला है. I told you in एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3.3 का कुछ बी और सी पार्ट. ठीक है. If दो कंडीशन satisfy होने चाहिए. Power of numerator should be less than power of denominator and denominator should be factorizable. So students, let us find out the factors of this denominator. So let me take that denominator aside. By denominator को लेने वाला हूँ. What is denominator here? X square plus x minus 6. So what are the factors? X square plus 3 to the 6 मतलब 3x minus 2x. So what are the factors here? X plus 3 and what? X minus 2. So these are the factors. Okay. Once you find out the factors, I'm going to consider the whole term. Which term? That 2x upon x square plus x minus 6. Okay. तो इसको मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ बरोबर से देखना and I'm going to replace this particular denominator by what factors. What are the factors here? X plus 3 into x minus 2. Okay. Students, what is the first step? Students, what is a partial fraction exactly? Partial fraction means what? You have to consider any constant that is a upon first factor plus b upon second factor. That is the first step. What is term in the numerator? I don't want. I don't care. कुछ भी हो न्यूमरेटर में यहाँ पे कुछ भी टर्म हो 5x हो 100x हो 99x हो मुझे मतलब ही नहीं मुझे फैक्टर से मतलब है that's why I told you a upon that first factor plus b upon second factor. What I will do in the next step? I will take LCM. If I cross multiply क्या हो जाएगा a into x minus 2 plus b into what x plus 3. Okay. And what about the denominator? Denominator में दोनों टर्म मल्टीप्लाई होंगे कौन सी वाले that denominator वाले x minus 2 into x plus 3. और यहाँ पे भी वही आएगा x plus 3 into what x minus 2. What I'm going to do in the next step that you know that this denominator is going to cancel. So what is the remaining term? 2x equals to what? A into so and so. So I will multiply a inside ax minus 2a plus bx plus 3b. Okay. So what I will do in the next step? The term in which x is present, I will take x common. If I take x common, तो अंदर बचेगा a plus b. What are the remaining terms? Remaining terms are what? Minus 2a plus 3b. Okay. And left hand side में आपको क्या दिख रहा है? 2x. There is nothing is constant, so I will put 0. उसके बाद मैं क्या करने वाला? उसके बाद I am going to equating both sides. Equating what? Both sides. If I equate, what is coefficient of x? A plus b. What is coefficient of x here? 2. What is coefficient that is constant term? Minus 2a plus 3b. And what is the constant term in the left hand side? 0. तो आप देख सकते हो ये हो गया एक इक्वेशन. अभी इस इक्वेशन को मुझे सॉल्व करना है साइमल्टेनियसली. तो डेफिनेटली व्हाट आई विल डू दिस इज व्हाट इक्वेशन नंबर 1 दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2. इसको 1 और 2 करेंगे तो 1 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 2 से करते हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा प्लस 2a plus 2b equals to what 4. And what is the next equation? माइनस 2a प्लस 3b इक्वल्स टू 0. जस्ट ऐड किया तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 2b प्लस 3b इज व्हाट 5b equals to 4. So what is b equals to 4 upon 5? Simple mathematics. Once you get b equals to 4 upon 5, so b का वैल्यू हमें a का वैल्यू चाहिए. What will be the a from here? A will be what? 2a equals to 3b. तो 3 by 2 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. And what is b का वैल्यू? 4 upon 5. So final will be what? 6 upon 5. We got a. Don't worry, I will explain it again. I'm going to explain it again. Don't worry. This is a very easy. This is simple mathematics. Solving two equations simultaneously. अभी हम लोग क्या करने वाले? अभी ये नोट को हम लोग थोड़ा बाजू में रखते हैं. अभी हम लोग इस a और b को इन इक्वेशन नंबर we will say x में पुट करने वाले. तो put a and b in equation x. So what is equation x, students? 2x upon x plus 3 into x minus 2 equals to, what is a? A is what? 6 upon 5 x plus 3. What is b? b कितना है? 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5 x minus 2. अभी मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ? डेफिनेटली इंटीग्रेशन, क्योंकि ये तो मेरा काम ऐसा था कि इसको मैंने सिर्फ इजी फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. नाउ आई विल टेक द इंटीग्रेशन of the left hand side. I will take the integration of right hand side. Okay, so this is what your I. 6 upon 5 is constant. What integration 1 upon x plus 3? Log of x plus 3. Which is easy one. सबसे easy हो गया. Then 4 upon 5. What integration 1 upon x minus 2? Log of x minus 2. मतलब हर एक में हमें यही करना है. You have to find out a and b. Once you get a and b, then formula will be same. 1 upon x का integration is what? Log x. तो इसका integration क्या आएगा? 1 upon x plus 3 का log of x plus 3. Okay, hope so you understood this numerical. Please copy.